Hi everyone, my name is Bianca Gonzalez and I'm the Bullying Prevention Program Coordinator with ABI, and welcome to our first part of our Instagram tutorial on their privacy and safety settings. So this video is intended for teens and parents just to be helpful for you in understanding these settings a little bit better, but also just having a positive and healthy experience when it comes to having your own Instagram account. And just using this platform. So I wanted to start off with how to set your account to either a public account or a private account. I think that's really important to start off with. So in order to do that, what you want to go ahead and do is just click on the three bars in the top right corner, and then you want to go ahead and click on settings. Once you're in this area, make sure to click on privacy. And then where it says connections, you'll see account privacy. And obviously our account is listed as public. But if you ever want to change your account to private, where only people you approve can see all of your content, you would just go ahead and hit that little button to the right hand side. And then you have the freedom of coming back and changing it to a public account whenever you would like to do so. So it's pretty simple. The next step I want to go over is how to mute an account. So when you mute somebody, you are literally just hiding their content. So hiding their posts and their stories, so you no longer have to see them. So you do see in this area that there's a muted account section. So if I click on that, it notes that I haven't muted anybody. So I want to go ahead and show you how to do that. And then you're just able to come back to the same area and just check to see who you have muted. And if you ever want to unmute them, you can just go ahead and click on that same setting and just move the little toggle to the left and they are unmuted. So I will go ahead and use RMC Charity as an example. So let's say you want to go ahead and mute an account. What you will do is you will go ahead and click on following, and you'll have all of these options pop up. You'll see that the third option is mute. Click on that, and you have the option of either muting posts or stories, or you can mute both. So it's really simple. You just have to follow the previous steps that I noted if you ever want to go back and unmute them. So you have the freedom of doing that if you choose to do so. So what about blocking somebody? It's a little bit different. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this down. You see the three dots in the top right corner. That is going to be where you would want to block somebody. It's noted in red. It's the second option. You can go ahead and click on it, and it will ask you before you block them and let you know they won't be able to find your profile posts or stories on Instagram, and they won't let them know that you blocked them, which is a really great feature. So you just hit block. They're completely blocked. They will not be friends with you anymore. You won't be friends with them. If you ever choose to unblock them, you would have to go back to your privacy settings and just go ahead and click the little toggle to the left, and they will be automatically unblocked. Just know that they won't be your friends anymore. So if you want to go ahead and follow them again, you would have to choose to do that if you would like. So another setting that I want to go ahead and go over is reporting. So if you have any negative comments, or if you have, a profile that you specifically want to report due to bullying, harassment, cyberbullying, please feel free to report them. Instagram has that as a very easy setting, just to make sure you have a safe and healthy experience online. So when you need to report somebody, I will go ahead and use RMC Charity again. I'll click the three top right dots, and it's the third option in red. You can go ahead and click that, and Instagram asks you, the reason why you're reporting them. You can either note that it's spam or it's inappropriate. So if you note that it's inappropriate, you can look into a post, a message, or comment, or just reporting the account in general. And it gives you options on why you're specifically reporting it, and bullying is actually one of those options. So Once you do that, they go ahead and look into it. They will either remove the account altogether or remove the post or comment altogether. So they do have their own set of procedures, but also consequences as well when it comes to this. So I hope this video was helpful in understanding these settings a little bit better. And please stay tuned for part 2, where we will go ahead and cover a couple of other settings more in depth as well. Thank you.